Analytical and Numerical Solution to the Fractional Pendulum by Alvaro H. Salas. In this paper, we study the fractional pendulum oscillator equation. We solve it both numerically using finite differences method and analytically. The analytical solution is obtained by replacing the original oscillator using an integer order oscillator. We also compare the numerical solution with the analytical solution obtained making use of the Chebyshev homotopy method, KBM.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.